First of all, I'll give satsang in Hindi and then I'll give satsang in English. मनुष्य का शरीर मिल जाए तो हम भी मानवों की तरह, God is light and in him there is no darkness. They who worship God must worship God in spirit and in truth. There is one moon, but they say, don't have one moon, have thousands and thousands of moons. Raka pati shoda sugay. Let us have thousands of moon. Tara Gana Samuday. Let us have clusters of stars. And let us have all the mountains, all the wood in the mountains burning. Let there be fire. In spite of all this, the darkness of the night will not go away. The night will not turn into day. इसके बाद भी कहा रवि भी न रह न जाए. Without the sun, the darkness of the night cannot go. The world awakens. When there is sun, the world awakens. Everybody stands up. We leave the bed. We start for work. There is awakening after the sun. What does the sun do? The sun also changes carbon dioxide into oxygen. That of the spirit is of the spirit, and that of the flesh is of the flesh. You do not have to go into the mother's womb to be born. You have to be awakened in the spirit, and that is the second birth. If you churn the ocean water, you will get salt. And if you grind the sand, you might get oil, which is also impossible. But without the meditation of God, without the meditation of holy name, if we want to attain salvation, it is not possible. We can only attain salvation through the knowledge of God and by meditating. So dear friends, I was talking about different sects, different religions, different way of life. Some people believe that our sect is better than the other sect. The word different sect, different religion. What is very important is to remove the word different and different. We should have a unified. We should understand the common, the fundamental principle. For example, we bring water from Thames. We bring water from Ganges. We bring water from Mississippi River. We bring water from Havangho, Yangtze, Volga River. And if we examine the water, ultimately all the water from all the rivers is nothing but 2 atoms of hydrogen. 1 atom of oxygen makes 1 molecule of water. It is hydrogen and oxygen, fundamentally. And the empirical of H2O is HO. That is the fundamental. 2 particles are there. In the same way, if we study all the religions, the fundamental thing, the Manav Dharma is, the religion eternal is the experience. When Moses goes before Jehovah, he's requesting that I want to experience you. And he experiences Jehovah in form of a burning bush. He experiences light. Even Muhammad alayhi salam, he also experienced light. And the Gabriel, the angel, Archangel Gabriel requested him, read in the name of Allah, God. Muhammad alayhi salam said, I do not know the name of God because I am not a scholarly person. He says, read in the name of God. What is that name of God? Ultimately, the name of God is the vibration which is within all of us. That is the fundamental thing which is making us live. I am speaking many words. Ultimately, these words are vibration. My vocal cords are vibrating. The vibration goes to the microphone. it is amplified. The vibration of the molecule goes to your eardrums and you are listening to my words. But when we talk about the Logos, when we talk about the Word of God, when we talk about Elohim, that is the Word of God which is in breath. You do not speak it. It is not pronounced. It is in the breath. That is called Elohim. So that is within everybody, within every heart, and that is to be experienced. So the word, the meaning of Buddha is to get enlightened. It means to go within yourself, and that is why it has been said, if thine eye be single, thy body shall be full of light. So we have to awaken the third eye. And in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna talks about that Arjuna, you can see my physical form with his two eyes, but to see my real form, my real essence, you have to have the third eye. Without the third eye, you cannot see it. So that third eye is the eye of knowledge. So let us experience that knowledge and meditate. This is the time to meditate. There is a beautiful analogy in the scriptures where the prophet is talking about that I am going to go to a different kingdom and become a king. He gave 10 minas currency. Minas was the currency of the old Jerusalem. So he gave 10 minas to every servant he had. And he said, multiply this money. When he came back, the master came back. He went to his first servant. The servant said, Master, I have multiplied this money. I have made it tenfold. The master was very happy. He said, okay, you have made the money tenfold, I'll give you 10 cities. The second servant came. He said, Master, I have multiplied your money 5 times. He got 5 cities. Lastly, the third servant came. He did not multiply the money. He said, Master, this is the money you gave me. I am giving you the money. And the master was very unhappy. He says, you have not multiplied the money. I will not give you anything. The whole idea is to understand that the gift that we have received, we have to multiply that. Multiply that gift in your life, and your life will bloom with knowledge. So Sadguru, the main function of the Sadguru is like a honey bee that takes the pollen and beautifies the entire garden. Fruits manifest. So the Guru gives the knowledge. For example, in order to learn mathematics, we go to a maths teacher. In order to learn English, we go to an English teacher. In order to learn French, we go to a French teacher. In the same way, to learn spirituality, we go to a spiritual teacher. And the spiritual teacher is called Guru. Gu means darkness, Ru means light. The person who takes us from darkness to light is a Guru. So, my message is that we should meditate and make ourselves happy, meditate and do service. This is a very good opportunity to help Baiji in all the efforts she is doing. And thank you very much. Bless you all. सबको मेरा दुआ आशीर्वाद. हरि ओम तत्सत. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामय. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. हरि ओम तत्सत.
बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव महाराज की
ज्ञान की गंगा बहारी आई हुई आराधना Maharajji's blessing, Yash and Niru. You're very lucky to have Maharajji here on your good day in life. All the blessings and congratulations.